Welcome to the exciting realm of budget-friendly wooden crafts, where creativity meets sustainability. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals are seeking ways to enhance their living spaces while also being mindful of their environmental impact. By exploring the art of woodworking with reclaimed materials, you can embark on a fulfilling journey that not only beautifies your home but also promotes eco-friendly practices. This video will introduce you to the myriad possibilities of crafting unique wooden decor items, all while keeping costs low and creativity high. As you delve into woodworking, you'll discover the charm and character that reclaimed wood brings to your projects. Each piece tells a story, filled with history and personality, making your creations truly one of a kind. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or just starting, the use of reclaimed materials opens up a world of opportunities for crafting stunning home decor. Join us as we explore tips, techniques, and inspiration for turning salvaged wood into beautiful, budget-friendly pieces that reflect your personal style and commitment to sustainability. Let's get started on this rewarding journey together. If you're enjoying this journey into the world of budget-friendly wooden crafts, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content that fuels your creativity and passion for woodworking. Your support means the world to us, and by liking and sharing our videos, you help spread the love for sustainable crafting to a wider audience. We encourage you to stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll reveal even more tips, tricks, and project ideas that you won't want to miss. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of reclaimed wood and create beautiful, unique pieces that enhance your home while making a positive impact on the environment. Woodworking has surged in popularity among DIY enthusiasts and crafters, particularly when it comes to creating budget-friendly home decor. Utilizing reclaimed wood not only reduces costs but also promotes sustainability by repurposing materials that might otherwise end up in landfills. The inherent charm of reclaimed wood lies in its unique character, often featuring beautiful imperfections that add warmth and personality to any space. This practice benefits the environment and appeals to those conscious of their ecological footprint, making it a win-win scenario for crafters and consumers alike. The current market shows a growing demand for unique, handcrafted items. Reclaimed wood crafts often stand out due to their individuality and the story behind the materials. This uniqueness enhances their appeal, making them desirable amid a sea of mass-produced goods. As artisans create beautiful pieces from reclaimed wood, they tap into a niche market that values authenticity and craftsmanship, elevating their work above generic alternatives. Profitability is a crucial aspect of woodworking as a business. By sourcing reclaimed wood, crafters can minimize material costs, allowing them to offer competitive prices while maintaining healthy profit margins. This strategy also provides an opportunity to educate consumers about the benefits of choosing sustainable materials, thus enhancing the marketability of these crafts and fostering a deeper connection with their audience. The aesthetic preference for wooden products in home decor is evident, as many people are drawn to the natural beauty and warmth that wood brings to a space. Wooden crafts can complement various design styles, from rustic to modern, making them versatile additions to any home. This adaptability increases their appeal, as consumers seek pieces that enhance their living environments and reflect their personal style. Engaging in woodworking can serve as a therapeutic activity, providing a creative outlet that fosters mindfulness and relaxation. The crafting process can be rewarding, allowing individuals to express their creativity while contributing positively to the environment. This personal connection to the material can enhance the overall experience of creating and enjoying wooden decor. As the trend towards sustainable living continues to grow, the preference for reclaimed wood products is likely to rise. Consumers increasingly seek ways to incorporate eco-friendly practices into their lives, and woodworking offers a fulfilling avenue for doing so. The tactile nature of wood and its ability to create a cozy atmosphere make it a favorite choice for home decor. Community is another vital aspect of woodworking with reclaimed materials. Crafters often share tips, techniques, and resources, helping one another to improve their skills and expand their knowledge. This collaborative spirit not only enhances individual projects, but also strengthens the overall woodworking community, creating bonds through shared passion and creativity. Another important consideration is the educational aspect of woodworking. Workshops and online tutorials have made it easier for newcomers to learn the craft. This accessibility encourages more people to explore woodworking, further driving interest in reclaimed materials. As individuals gain skills and confidence, they may also inspire others to appreciate the beauty and potential of reclaimed wood. Furthermore, the versatility of reclaimed wood allows for a wide range of projects. From furniture to decorative accents, the possibilities are virtually limitless. This versatility enables crafters to explore their creativity and experiment with different techniques, broadening their skill set and enhancing their overall woodworking experience. As more people become aware of the environmental impact of their purchases, the demand for eco-friendly crafts will likely continue to grow. Woodworkers who embrace reclaimed materials can position themselves as leaders in this movement, promoting sustainability while creating beautiful, functional pieces. This alignment with consumer values can lead to increased sales and a loyal customer base. As you venture further into woodworking with reclaimed materials, it's essential to familiarize yourself with various techniques that can elevate your projects. Basic skills like sanding, cutting, and joining are fundamental, but experimenting with different finishes can truly enhance the aesthetic of your creations. For instance, using natural oils or eco-friendly stains can highlight the unique grain patterns of reclaimed wood, bringing out its inherent beauty while maintaining a commitment to sustainability. Learning these techniques not only improves the quality of your crafts, but also allows you to express your personal style through each piece you create. Planning is a crucial aspect of any woodworking endeavor, particularly when working with reclaimed wood. Each piece of reclaimed material is different, often presenting unique challenges and opportunities. Before starting a project, take the time to sketch your design, measure your materials, and even consider how you can best utilize the existing characteristics of the wood. This thoughtful approach can lead to more efficient use of materials and reduce waste, aligning with the sustainable ethos of crafting. Plus, having a clear plan can help you stay organized and focused, making the crafting process more enjoyable and less stressful. Thank you for watching our video on budget-friendly wooden crafts. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to kickstart your own woodworking journey. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and tips. Your likes and shares help us reach more craft enthusiasts like you, allowing us to foster a vibrant community around sustainable woodworking. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more creative ideas that inspire you to transform reclaimed wood into beautiful, unique pieces for your home. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy crafting!